Alright guys, we're back for another episode of the week, and for today I'm going to be eating Persian food. Here's my good friend Mohammed.
Hello guys.
How you going?
Yeah, all good. Excited, hungry. We're gonna smash it.
How do you pronounce the name of this restaurant? It's
Leyan.
Leyan?
Yeah. Leyan Persian restaurant.
This is my first time trying Persian food, by the way.
Yeah, I'm sure you're gonna love it. Man.
It looks amazing. And we've ordered quite a few things already, so.
I don't know. We're gonna finish it all. No, it's a lot of food. Yeah.
It's a challenge.
It's a challenge. We do our best.
Yeah, but we got this.
Yeah, we got this.
So while I'm waiting for the food, I'm going to be drinking some Doog. Doog?
Yeah.
I've had this before though, it's actually really nice.
You know what is it?
It's yogurt. It's like
yogurt, water, and
mint, and a bit of salt, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I just got it for you.
It's like a salty yogurt drink.
Salty, savory, yeah.
But I think it's best when it's chilled, isn't it?
Yeah. You like it?
I love it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Every time I go to like a Middle Eastern sort of restaurant, I always order.
Because I noticed, you know, many Western people, especially, you know, they don't like the taste.
Yeah. Because I can't really think of a salty Western drink.
Yeah.
Right.
It's about the taste, not I think too.
So with the lamb shanks here.
Yeah.
The rice. And that's the rice with the dill, isn't it?
Dill, yeah.
Nice.
The plain rice with the saffron on the top.
Nice. And what's this one?
Fesenjoon, cooked with the chicken, cooked with the walnuts and pomegranate paste and the herbs and the onion and the spice.
Nice.
The mashed eggplant
Nice.
with the yogurt on the top and the lots of garlic and fresh herbs.
Yeah.
And
Mince kebab.
Mixed kebab, the lamb mince kebab, the chicken kebab and the beef kebab with the barbecue chilies and the tomato and the yogurt and the chili paste and the fresh herbs and onion. And that's the traditional bread, called Lavash Bread.
Alright.
Yeah, they bake it in the oven. Alright man, let's start with the starter. The Kashik Bademjoon. That's the starter, you're gonna love it. So you just put some paste on the bread, you know, down the hatch. Yeah.
So there's the eggplant and what's the white stuff? It's like a yogurt or something like that.
With the yogurt on the top.
The yogurt and comes with the cooked with the garlics and the mint as well. It's have a very unique taste. Let me know what you think.
It's really easy on the tongue though. Oh, that's a great starter.
That's one of most famous, you know, Persian starter.
Would you describe it as savory? Well, it's not really. It's not exactly like savory.
It's like kind of mixture of the savory and salty and minty, garlicky, you know.
If you love eggplants, you'd love this, I reckon. Alright, what's next?
Go for a rice.
Go for rice.
Push up some rice for yourself.
As you can see, we've got a humongous amount of rice.
Persian loves rice, you know. We eat a lot of rice. Basically, rice comes with every single, you know, dish you get. Rice with it.
So similar to Asian cuisine. Rice is the main source of carbs and
Persian rice, but they cook it 2 times. You know, it's process of the cooking. It's 2 times. You know, it's a little bit different with the Asian rice. Because the Persian rice is long grain rice. You know, it have a really nice flavor and nice aroma to it.
It looks like it's glowing as well.
And I forgot to tell you, is in the end they put the butter on it. So it gives the rice that, you know, you have to try it. Let's push up somewhere.
We'll try this rice.
Let's put some.
I'm just gonna try this rice by itself first and see how it is.
Go for it.
It just melts in your mouth, man.
Yeah.
It goes down so easily.
Alright. This is the Fesenjoon. chicken cooked with the walnuts and the pomegranate paste and some pistachio on the top.
Yeah.
As you see, this all come from the many hours cooking. Very long process of cooking comes from the walnut. This is the walnut oil.
Oh, nice.
They cook it basically for 4 hours.
Yeah.
So
it's like a slow cook method.
Yeah. There you go. Let's go for it, man.
Let's mix a bit of that with the rice.
I love it. One of my favorite foods.
Yeah. It's a very unique flavour. It's like when I first saw it, I was expecting it to be like salty, similar to like Indian curry, but it's nothing like that. It was that kind of sweet and kind of tart flavour of and it tastes like the walnut.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And this combination is kind of like sweet and sour as well. You can see that it's sour on the same because of the pomegranate paste, some pomegranate sauce in it. So it gives it that balance.
It's funny. If you haven't had it before, the texture does not match the flavour.
Yeah. This is one of my favourite dishes.
Oh, that's amazing.
Until now you enjoy that.
As you can see, meat just breaks down because it's been that well cooked. If you haven't had this stuff before, I'd highly recommend it. I'm gonna try this.
Try the Dill Rice with the Lamb Shank.
See that. So the meat, oh look at that. Look how soft that meat is. Just curry out of the way. Let's take this chunk of meat. A bit of that sauce. Yeah.
Check that meat out.
Look how juicy it is.
Look at that.
Ridiculously juicy. And we're gonna give it that rice some coating with that sauce. Oh wow.
How's everything?
Lovely.
You like it?
Amazing. I'm loving it.
Happy to hear that.
Oh wow. Meat is so tender though.
Yeah, you want some more.
That's what it tastes though, it's like
very tender and juicy meat.
It's delicious and just the way it melts.
You can't just really describe it how it tastes.
And the rice with dill is amazing as well. Like.
Yeah. Which one you like more, with the dill or the plain rice?
Well, growing up eating nothing but plain rice, the rice with the dill is better. Just by default. So I'm sick of eating white rice all the time, man. I think, like you said before, there really isn't a word to describe how that lamb tastes.
It's just, you have to experience it and eat it,
It's a must-try experience.
Yeah, definitely.
And I can guarantee you that it is amazing.
I don't know anyone, I bring many different cultures, different nationalities here to try the Persian food, There wasn't even one single person, who said, I don't like it. They all love it.
Yeah, if you love your lamb, you're going to love this. I'm going to get started on the kebabs.
Yeah, man. So, we go with the mince kebab. As you can see, guys, just look at it.
Look at that.
Some chicken. They're all, barbecue on the charcoal.
Yeah.
Because we believe, if you do your barbecue on the gas or, on the different things, it's not the same as the charcoal.
Yeah.
This is just the tikka kebabs. Tenderized.
Did I call it tikka because it's spiced?
No, because it's in the different pieces. Basically, tikka means like pieces.
Yeah.
So that's why. Yeah. But basically, they tenderize it first, and the piece of beef tenderizing it with a bit of spice.
Nice.
But the thing with the Persian food is, they don't have lots of spice like Indian food or Afghan food. It's a different.
Yeah.
It's for you.
Thank you.
Here's the chicken. I have to finish these all for you. There you go.
If I can handle that big bowl of ramen a few weeks ago.
Yeah, definitely.
I'm pretty sure this one should be doable.
Here you go.
Oh wow.
What I like to do, all the juice and oil from the kebabs, as you see, I like to take a piece of bread,
and just wrap it.
It's just
it's extremely juicy and tender, like, and it's flavoursome as well, man. But it's not such a strong flavour.
Yeah, they don't put, you know, much spice and flavor in it. Little bit just squeeze out.
I think a lot of the good flavour comes from how well the meat's cooked. Like,
And definitely kebabs, you know, you have to have it with onions.
yeah, must have onions.
Yeah, there you go.
Told you it was good, wasn't it?
You can beat this. For you guys.
Chili. Is it good? Wow.
So good.
Words can't describe how
Exactly.
amazing this is. The one thing I hate is dry chicken. And this chicken isn't dry, man. And this is the
Ultimate Persian feast.
never titled video, Ultimate Persian feast.
Yeah.
And this is the lamb tikka. The lamb tikka definitely tastes different to the other.
Mince.
Yeah.
Which one was your favorite between those kebab?
This one here,
Yeah.
I think this one here has more of the gamey taste, doesn't it? Yogurt.
Yeah.
Oh wow. Chili sauce there.
Yeah, kind of like chili sauce. Your tomato and all different things in it.
That's actually a really good idea. Right.
Oh, I'm getting full, man.
So food update. We pretty much demolished all of the kebabs. Most of the Fesenjoon.
Yeah.
Lamb Shanks are pretty much done.
Yeah, done.
I was only really the eggplant left. But the eggplant was amazing.
Like I said, you know, it was in a price easy for 4 people.
Yeah.
It was amazing, but you know, because a lot of food, you know, I wanted to try those ones. We didn't want to make ourselves so full, Kebabs is a little bit oily, have a fat in it, so basically usually comes with a slice of lemon or lime, so you know, burn down the fat. That was amazing, man.
You're right, those cups roll.
Super duper food. Usually when I come here, you know, I just order just one dish.
Yeah.
We just usually order, you know, just one lamb shank, you know, or Fesenjoon, which one, only one.
So we got 1,
2, 3, 4.
4 pretty much main meals.
Yeah.
And the serves here are very generous.
Yeah, serves are really good. So how was your experience? Your Persian food experience?
I think I found one of my new favourite foods.
Yeah.
Yeah, and what I love about it is it's like a balance. It's a balanced cuisine. And you get the meats, the vegetables, the rice, you know, the carbs. It's very balanced cuisine.
And I have to say, it's a fun cuisine too. It's not a boring cuisine. You get a lot of things, you know, to mix up with your food, and each of them, you know, gives a different flavor, different type of taste to it.
This is our really famous tea. Saffron tea.
Oh, yeah.
We put saffron, then we put some cardamom. So it's not ready, we make it.
Yeah. Ah.
Then these ones are candy sugar.
Oh, nice.
So you put sugar, tea and you stir it. When it's sweet enough, you take it off. Then when you need it more sweet, you put it inside.
Oh, awesome.
Enjoy it.
Thank you.
This is totally, you know, different with any type of the tea you had, because Persian tea is herbal, you know, and have a different aroma. And actually, this one is a saffron tea.
Yeah, it smells really good.
So good.
Yeah, that's really good.
The aroma and the flavor, you can taste the saffron, cinnamon.
It's very aromatic.
Yeah, it's aromatic. It's got a cinnamon in it, saffron in it, and cardamom. When I make tea at home, I do the same. You know, I have a Persian tea, put it in the pot, a little bit of the cinnamon stick, a few cardamom, and some saffron. It just, and you know, when you have it in the morning, you know, because saffron have that
give you that excitement feeling.
Yeah.
It lifts you up very good.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah, definitely. Really good.
Let's try these dates.
Yeah, let's go for some dates. So good for the people, you know, diabetes. They
Yeah.
can have sugar, you know.
But they can have the dates
They
instead.
can have the dates.
Wow. Let's go for another date.
Go for another one.
These are high in fiber as well, though.
Yeah, they are.
So that make you extra full. We're already full.
Yeah.
I don't know. It's a
They-
good idea.
I heard, you know, four dates per day, you know, it gives you enough fiber for a full day.
So full of food, though. So do I need? Why not?
Bro, you might need to do exercise later, you know.
I did exercise before coming here.
Oh, alright. That was so good. Go for the dates. I'm not gonna.
Number five.
I can't even have one chickpeas. I'm here. It's here. Oh, that was good. That's it.
That's it.
Yeah. See you guys.
See you around. I'll try to stand up. I don't know if I can stand
I
up.
help you. Don't worry. We might get a wheelchair to go out.